Thanks for checking in, everybody. We got a winter weather situation coming in today, but it's going to not be so wintry by the time we get to tomorrow morning. But I wanted to just dive into this real quick, show you guys what to expect. This is what I put out yesterday. I actually edited. I just to keep everybody ahead of this. I had to add this line in here because by the time we get to tomorrow morning, I really do expect most of all this green area will be rain. But for a precaution, I put in this extra black line just to show where I think the ice can hold on a little bit longer, because what's going to happen is everybody's going to see snow today, and then by the time we get to later tonight, you're going to see it start to change to sleet and then freezing rain. And where I really think the freezing rain could become an issue is just to the west of this line. So let's dive into the storm. This is simulated radar. So by the time we get to say about 1 o'clock today, you can see snow starts to break out. Central Jersey. Notice this warm sector coming in pretty fast, but don't pay attention to the green because as this green gets into North Jersey, it's not going to be rain. It's going to be freezing rain. So by the time we get to later tonight, okay, so this evening, you can see snow is still breaking out on northern counties, also up here in eastern New England. Down here in South Jersey should be rain at that point. Still ice holding on near the Baltimore, Washington area. By the time we get to 11 o'clock tonight, this is an all-out ice storm to the west of that black line I showed you. This is my concern. And if you look at the temperatures right now, so currently temperatures are very cold. And when you have a stubborn Arctic air mass like we have in place now, it's going to not be so quick to warm an area that's 14 degrees all the way up above 32 at the surface. So that's why by the time we get to 11 o'clock tonight, yes, the models are showing liquid falling, but this is freezing on contact in all areas just north and west of the I-95. So traveling tonight is not a good idea at all. The good news is, by the time we get into tomorrow morning, the air is going to rush in really quick. So if I show you another image here of the warm air coming in, this is the time we get. This is at 1 o'clock in the morning. Again, cold air is really holding on here. But by the time we get to 7 a.m., you could see this surge of warmth coming in off the ocean, and especially by the time we get to the afternoon, forget about it, we're temperatures in the 50s. So the issue with winter weather is tonight into the wee hours of tomorrow morning. And the reason why all that warm air is coming in, if I just show you the nature of the storm, we've been talking about this, is the storm's developing to the west. So when it develops to the west, it brings a huge onshore flow. And the cold, high pressure that's over our area now is starting to go offshore. So all this frigid air, this record-breaking air mass we've had, that's exiting. It will be stubborn at the surface, but by the time this low comes close enough to us, you have a surge of warm air. So that's it for now. I'll have more updates later as it starts snowing in most areas, but just know right now I think a general 1 to 3 inches of snow before we change to ice. North and west of 95, you can see just a little bit more than that, and all snow up in extreme northwestern areas of New England.